When I first started, I had had more surgeries and things in Virginia, came back to Moore County, found out about this wonderful young man. Dr. Stephen is very professional and has a great personality. His entire staff is very professional. They have great personalities. They make you relax, you're at ease, nothing is going to bother you. They take wonderful care of you. And I don't hesitate to want to come and visit, but they are outstanding. And if you have any problems, they will show you exactly what to do. And my sweet lady gave me a sheet to show me step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. Since I taught middle school, I got the numbers and I do exactly what she tells me to do. If you have any problems, they can handle it. The most important thing though is they make you relax, and it's easier for them and for you.